In this video, I show you step-by-step instructions how to do mixed reality with the Live app. Okay, so there's going to be a few things you need. First and foremost, you need a green screen. You need to cover your wall, fully green. If you can cover the floor as well. Guys, after I made this video, I realized I forgot one piece of equipment that you need for this mixed reality video that I'm making. You need a lot of studio lighting. You need a lot of light to illuminate that green screen so it can really capture the chroma effect. Then you'll need a web camera and of course your VR headset, and then you should be set to go. And on Steam, download Live client, L-I-V. Then you will need one more app. It's called OpenVR. I will put the link to where to download the file in the description down below on this video. Okay, so once you have that all downloaded, go over to the Live app and start it up. Here you'll go see you'll need to install a driver for the Live app. Install the driver now. Once you have that installed, shut down Live, then open up Steam VR. Now when you reopen Steam VR, you'll see a new icon. You'll have a virtual driver there. Now reopen Live and add the camera that needs to be added to the application. So example, mine is a Logitech. So I would click here, camera, and click on my Logitech webcam. Now we're going to edit. I'm going to go calibration. And we're going to go begin calibrating. Here we go. Now, once it begins calibrating, we're going to have to go inside the VR headset. And here we are. If you notice, my hands are here. See? And VR space. Okay, that's it. Begin calibrating. Calibrate. Now, follow those directions right here. It says, press trigger button to continue. Hitting trigger button. Here we go. So this now, is the tricky part. You could do this with your VR headset on, but, you know, keep an eye on where you're going in reality, like in the real world. Okay, and I get really close to your webcam, closest as you can possibly get. Close, 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 and try to be in the center of your controller. Okay, and then press the trigger button. You literally want to be really like almost touching the lens. Hit trigger. Boom. Now you'll see this tape measure following your body. You have to get to that other red marker here in VR. So here we go. And this is, you get like a little lopsided here. Confusing. Yeah. And as you move your head, you'll see, I have a low ceiling where I'm doing all this. So this is what sucks about my setup. Okay, and now the other red marker, get to it, and always use the same controller to mark your spots. Okay, don't use the other controller, use the same controller. So right now I'm currently using the right controller, so I don't want to knock my sensor out, because then I have freaking sensor issues. But whoa, close to that damn thing. All right, and can get to the red marker there and click. Okay, there you go. So now you got your calibration going. You'll notice my controls a little bit out of wiggity whack. Out of wiggity whack, yo! Snake. Alright, so I got to fix this tracking issues here. See this? It's not completely in sync with my hands. So I'll go to positioning and play with the X. So you'll see my left hand. You know, play. Everyone's setup is going to be a bit different. So everyone's going to have to figure out, you know, their setup. So guys, when I was making this video, I thought I was recording what was going on inside of my headset, but I wasn't. So basically what I'm seeing is an XYZ marker on the positioning button. So basically you just have to maneuver it to your liking to get your hands calibrated with your virtual hands. And once you get that fine-tuned, you play around with those settings a little bit, and after that you just hit save and you should be good. If you like it, you hit save, click. Like that special effect they throw out there. All right, so now go back to your PC. So now you'll see your PC says, success, your new calibration was imported. Hit OK. Ding. Okay, perfect. So now we'll go to key and cropping. So the key and cropping part is all this jazz on the sides here. You know, top, sides, the floor. What I'm gonna probably do, what I always do when I do mixed reality, I have a green floor that I put down where I do my mixed reality. So I'll probably put that green floor down on the floor here. Okay. So now this is where you're gonna want to fill up your leftover space. So all this stuff here, you're going to, I shall show you now what I'm talking about. A little bit more. Choom. There you go, baby. I hope you appreciate the sound effects. All right. So once we like what we like, hit save. Let's see if I can move this now. Now go to capture. So once your heart is content, go over to capture. And we're all synced in here. Now click sync and launch. And then it should launch. Also, you'll notice sometimes your controller's on the floor. Like we have here, my right hand controller for some reason is on the floor. If that happens, a good restart for all the apps like Live, Beat Saber, Steam. When you restart it, for some reason it works. Hello. So now you notice lightsabers in my right hand. So now also in the beginning of the video I mentioned to download OpenVR. So for mixed reality to work, you need to be facing your green screen. So the opposite way of your two front sensors. So facing the green screen. So what basically OpenVR does is it rotates the level. So by rotating the level and rotating your play space, you can have your front camera capture the footage in mixed reality. So by turning your play space by 180 or 120 degrees, your camera can capture your mixed reality footage. To do this, open up the settings, the pause menu in Steam VR. Then go to advanced settings, then go to the play space button and rotate your screen to your liking. Also, to capture the footage that you're recording, you might need an application like OBS to do it, but that's totally up to you what you want to use to record your mixed reality footage. Alright guys, so that's my step-by-step tutorial of how to use the Live client to capture mixed reality. If you have any questions, comment section below. And if you like this video, please give us a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.